It's never been a better time to build an online business. I'm going to show you real quick how I find products that make me $500 a day or more, sometimes thousands of dollars a day. And it's actually pretty simple. I'm going to show you a couple different tools and the philosophy behind it. It's very simple. I don't want you to overthink it because that's actually what kills most businesses before they even begin. It's just you guys overthink things. So when you overthink too much, you forget to actually put in the work and just launch things. And if you don't launch, you'll never make it anywhere. So basically, it starts with just research. So you can go on a site called myip.ms. It's a Shopify database where you can find all the top trending Shopify stores pretty much. And once you find something that's inspiring, let's say something like this, Beyond Yoga, they're doing really well. We can check the traffic. You don't need to do that, but I like to check the traffic because I have this Shopilab web extension. You can use it by joining shopilab.ai, but that's not needed. But we can see they're totally crushing it, right? They're a huge business. So we know the yoga niche is good. We know this is a good brand that we can learn about the yoga niche from. And basically what we do from here is we just start actually browsing or doing more research in this niche. Now you can use AI to do the research, or you can just start going on TikTok and looking up something like TikTok made me buy it for products that you think fit that category. You know, for example, if I do this and then I find a product that I think could actually fit the Pilates category or the yoga category, right? And I could add it to my store and I could get it sourced. But I can also just look up, for example, Pilates, and we can see, you know, what people are doing, right? So we can kind of learn some stuff about these things. So we can see, for example, this person is, you know, using a mat. We can just learn more about the niche. We can see what people are using, what people are wearing, the words that people are using. And then we can go ahead and source a product for our stores. So I already did a little bit of that. So, you know, basically what you can then do is use this sourcing platform called TeamDrop. And on TeamDrop, it's absolutely free. You can basically browse their own products, but you can also get products sourced. So you could message them on WhatsApp. This is what I do for all of my stores. I got teams basically communicating with TeamDrop all the time and sourcing new products. So for example, if I find a product here on TikTok that I can't find anywhere else, let's say I want to sell this exact mat, I can just take a screenshot of this, send it to the TeamDrop team, and the sourcing agents there are going to help me source the product. But you can also just, again, browse their existing products or source more products from there. Like say, if we go here, we can source directly from factories too. So if we look up Pilates, let's say Pilates, we can see a bunch of different products. Now I'm using this on a lot of stores. This is another demo store that I recently launched a few months ago, and we're doing really well with this store. We're getting returning customers, and it's super automated. It's actually entirely automated, and it does over $1,000 of profit every single day. So that's pretty cool. And as you see, just from the factories that we can see on TeamDrop, we can find a lot of unique products. But I already found one that they already have on their platform, so I can easily just click list to my store and add it to my store. And basically how you want your store to look is just like this. So this is a demo store that I'm building as well. And this is the template that I like to use. I like to create these really nice offers. And you can do exactly that by going to our store builder, which is 100% free. And it also gives you a $1 a month Shopify plan. So extremely valuable resources here that are literally free, and you can use them at your own disposal. So, you know, you don't need to have any sort of skepticism. I'm just giving you all the value here. I know it can seem unbelievable, right? Because most people will have you pay $1 million in order to give you any sort of information, and then the information's actually trash because things move so fast in e-commerce, especially with AI. So, you know, it's kind of crazy how fast things are moving. You definitely should join our Discord. You can actually join it for free. Again, if you go to shopilab.ai and then you go to the bottom, I'll show you how to do that so you don't have any questions. Boom, go to the bottom and then click on our little Discord there. It will make you verify your account and make a Shopilab account, which is free to do. We only do that to prevent bots from joining the platform. But there's a lot of really valuable tools in here. So, you know, I'm not here to shill this, but we got some free tools that are definitely important in this process, because part of the product research process is actually pricing. nobody talks about this, but you shouldn't probably sell products that you don't actually that where the numbers don't make any sense. So, for example, what I mean by that is some products are going to be too expensive to sell. That's basically what I mean. So let's say we go here, right? Something like this. I mean, this isn't a bad product. It's actually a pretty good product, although it's not new by any means. But this product is kind of expensive to sell. So I guess it's not too bad. 72 is actually not as bad as I thought. But some products are very expensive shipping fees because what we're doing here is we're shipping directly from the manufacturer. Now, this makes it a little bit slower to get to the customer, but the benefit that we gain is that we don't need to spend any money on inventory, so we can validate our business idea for virtually free or at least a very, very low cost. And that's basically what I'm all about. I love to cap my risk, make sure that I'm not going to lose $10,000 to launch my e-commerce business. Basically, I'm only trying to lose like $100 or $200 on a product test. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I'm not emotional about it. I don't overthink it. I just move on to my next idea. And I think that's one of the best methods right now for Shopify, for success on Shopify. And I'm not just saying that because I'm doing it myself, but I'm also saying that because I see the Shopee Lab community members also getting results. And yeah, so by the way, how you get to the sourcing platform is you go to Shopee Lab Sourcing and you click on Team Drop. You can just go to Team Drop on your own, but when you do this, it gives me a little bit of a kickback because basically, if you go through here, you're going to be going through my affiliate link. But you don't need it. It's just going to give you better support. I've confirmed it with several of our community members. When they mention that they're a part of the Shopee Lab community, they get better service. I mean, they get a little bit more quick sourcing. Now, it shouldn't be that way, but unfortunately, they know I got an audience, so they just want to do better for us, I guess. But once you find, you got your idea, right? You got a product source. I actually found this one. I like this product a lot. It looks really cool. It's basically a foam roller, and I did a little bit of research. I just, it fits the theme of the like the theme that I found, which is this yoga kind of niche, Pilates niche. And I see some people selling these for $54, right? These are not cheap. So that tells me people are willing to spend a decent amount for a good foam roller. But then also what's cool is that these colors are awesome, right? Like these are actually really cool colors. It's a cherry blossom pink. I've never seen that before. I'm sure people would be willing to pay a little bit more money in order to get a very cool color. So let's just say I like this one. It's about $15, so I can sell it. Let's go to our calculators here, and let's say it's $15 and people are selling it for $55. That gives us a 1.43x return on ads, break-even return on ad spend. Now, that might sound like a confusing number, but what that means is that basically we can spend $1 on ads and make back $1.43 from those ads and still just be breaking even. So we're acquiring customers for free. And believe it or not, even if you're running a business like this where it's lean inventory, it's not a branded product, you can still get returning customers as shown by this store. Because for this store, like I said, it's fully automated. We only have we literally only have one VA answering customer service emails, and then we have Smart Reply doing all the comments, and it's an AI tool, so it does all the rest of the customer service. And then we have the Team Drop team fulfilling all the orders, and then we're running meta ads where we barely touch the ads. So, and we're still getting returning customers. We are adding products to our catalog that are really cool and very nice. And yeah, people are coming back to buy more. So it's pretty cool. But basically, that's what I like about this product. Then what we can do is just take our images. We can add this to our store. I'll just price this at, let's just say $59 to make it simple right now. And we will add all of these to our store. So we just click list. Oh, list to store. What is the invalid parameter? I just got to make sure. Okay, everything's good. Variant is good. And it should work. I don't know why it's telling me that it's invalid. Let's just go with their price. That is weird. Okay, let's just actually not do these. We'll do only the solid ones. There we go. Okay, so I guess those other ones were glitching out for me. But sometimes you got to troubleshoot things. That's a big lesson you got to learn too. If you want to make money online, you got to sometimes tinker with things, refresh, don't give up, don't get stuck on these tiny little problems. So we added it to our store, and then what we want to do is we're basically just going to spend time making great product images. That's honestly the most important thing about your product page on Shopify. So you see, this is our demo store product page, like I mentioned before. And basically what I want to spend most of my time doing is making great product images and then making a great offer, because at the end of the day, that is what most people care about. And this is where people land, right? Most people don't really browse very much. They kind of just want to buy, especially if they're coming from Meta ads. But also if they're coming from Google ads too, that's high intent traffic. So generally speaking, people just want to buy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tool called draftpie.com to make amazing product images. So basically what I can do here is I can just go to our supplier listing, and we'll actually just do the cherry blossom pink one because it looks really cool. And I'll just paste that image here. Let's paste this. Okay, there it is. And then we're going to find, let's just say these guys. I really like their studio shots, right? They look really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take one of these images and I'm going to use it as inspiration for it. So I'll also paste that here. And then what we're going to do is say, replace the background on the first attached image of the cherry blossom foam roller with the clean professional background on the second image attached. And then that's pretty much it. And then we'll change this to 2K. We want it to be really nice. And 1-to-1 ratio is fine because that's what looks best on a product page. So this might be one of the most raw, unfiltered product research videos that you'll see out there, and also launch videos. But that's how I'm trying to do it. I want to just show you the real stuff, right? I want to show you the real process. DraftPie is free up to a few generations per day, but then you got to pay some credits. But it's super affordable. It's extremely cheap. And then, like I mentioned, the theme that we use, which is literally this theme, is also free. So just download it for free here, and then Shopify will only be $1 a month when you go through this link for 90 days. Okay, so you got 90 days to get a winner before you can just start your store over and avoid paying an expensive Shopify charge. Although I would encourage you to do it because I actually don't get paid as an affiliate unless you go through with those 3 months. But hey, I still want you to make money at the end of the day. That's why I'm here. And if you don't make money, you're not going to use the tools that I build to make myself money. So that's kind of my blueprint right now, my ecosystem. I'm building tools that help us make more money from our stores, makes launching stores easier, and then hopefully you guys can use those tools too to self-actualize and build your own stuff. But let's see how this is looking. So yeah, this looks awesome. I like this product picture way better. So I would use this instead, right? So I'll copy that, and then I can just go to my products in here. You can see the foam rollers here, and then I can just add the picture here. I'm not going to do it because it's going to show some of my documents and I don't want to edit this video. I just want to keep it raw. So yeah, that's pretty much the process, but it's not going to end at that one product. I mean, yes, that's the first product and I would launch it with ads. I would make some really simple ads with statics. Maybe if I can find videos on TikTok of somebody using, let's say a similar generic product, I might use some of that, maybe use it for inspiration for AI videos as well. But you can use your own creativity here. If you have a little bit of creativity, it's definitely going to go a long way in today's day and age. But this is sort of the blueprint that you need to follow, and don't give up, right? Launch your product ideas. If it doesn't work out, don't, I would say, this is just my opinion, of course, do whatever you want. But my philosophy is to cut your losses quickly and, just try to find asymmetric upside. I try to look for that in every opportunity online that I take part of, whether it's software, whether it's ecom, whether it's investing. I try to look for really big upside and hopefully no downside, or like as little downside as possible. Believe it or not, this store that was launched a few months ago in October, it started with $100. It actually started with $50. So $50 was the first day that we tested ads on this store. and now it's spending about $1,500 a day, but bringing back anywhere from $3,000 a day to $4,000 a day, which is 1 to 1.5K in profit per day. It's pretty cool. And ultimately, I just want to get more people to build these kinds of stores and self-actualize and use our tools as a method to help them do that. So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you got some value out of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.